guys. Okay, so
they're really expensive.
I'm kind of filming this pretty late, but yeah, we got the NVIDIA N1. I got the stock exhaust. Piece of shit.
Are you gonna need these?
Yeah, we need 3 hangers.
No, we need all of them, bro.
Huh?
We need all of them.
We need all of them?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, we need 4. No, 3.
No, there's another one over there. There's the big one.
Yeah.
There's
one here. Oh, there's one here.
Yeah.
No, there's no. This one got deleted.
Oh, okay.
You put them up there. So you only need 3 hangers. You can keep. It's not bad still. Fucking man. Look at this bad boy.
He's fat, bro.
No, he's skinny, bro. It's a skinny boy. Well, it's thick. It's thick piping still. Oh, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna get back to you after we get it all fitted in. It's just looking good. So we're in the car right now, and yeah, fuck this, bro. How do you feel, Alex?
I fucking hate Hondas.
So basically, what we're dealing with right now, this is an exhaust. Is this? I don't know if you can see it, but this bolt right fucking there. There, dude. Right there. Right. Oh, this little boy right here. Fucking asshole. We drilled all the way through it in hopes that it might loosen it up or might do something, so we could just crush it in and then just like take it out. But you know what? Shit ain't that easy, bro. We thought it was gonna take us 3 hours. It's now been 6. We'll update you when we figure out what to do. You go through?
Nope, not yet. It's almost. I wouldn't say almost. This is so uncomfortable.
I know it's Now heating it up. Hopefully this works, man.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, obviously. It's one fucking bolt, man. It's a big friggin' doo-doo head. I bet it kisses its dad. On the lips with tongue. Oh my goodness.
Yo, Alex, go on the other side. On the other side? Yeah. Watch you hold this and I'll do that. Watch my face. It's not that pretty anyways. Oh god, okay, here we go.
Yeah, careful with this.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Anything?
Nope.
It didn't move at all? Bro, man. Fuck.
Drill.
Just do it again.
Alright, hey y'all. Good morning. I didn't record too much yesterday of us getting the first install of this exhaust in. But you know what? Today is a brand new day. As you can see, beautiful outside. It's not as rainy as it was yesterday, which I do enjoy. Oh my god. But yeah, today we're gonna get the rest of the exhaust in, so see you then. Alright, yo, so I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like when you start a 2015 without an exhaust system. So here we go. It's gonna be loud as fuck. Dude, that's so loud.
enjoyed that. I didn't really film it, but we jacked up the car finally. The whole system, so we can get under it. Give you guys a look. See, a little look, see. This dude already working on it, yo. You really mad at it yesterday, huh?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh yeah. You got it's
Huh?
a bigger hole now.
That's good. That's good.
It's not gonna win today, bro.
Yeah.
Not fucking today.
Fuck this top bolt, man. Fuck this top left bolt.
Yo, I think we can punch it out maybe now. With
Yeah?
that gun.
With the air gun?
Or even with the hammer.
Alright, I'll get the compressor.
Let's try with the hammer first. I don't wanna. Maybe we can avoid bringing everything out.
Yeah.
That was a big daddy.
Huh?
That was a big daddy. That's all we needed right there. Because the hole's already huge now.
Dude, it actually was, so. But yeah, yo. Do you have the vice grip with the thing, with the poke tool? I think so, over here. Oh, your vice grips. Did you put it back in the kit? In your...
I don't. I know, there's this one.
I feel like we just tossed everything on top, yeah.
I did put it back.
Yeah, the vice grips.
And the hammer?
The punch tool. Hammer. Hammer time, where are you?
I think I might have just...
Oh, chair.
Oh.
There you go.
This is it, bro.
Yo, they might not even get here.
Yeah, we're done.
Yeah, we'll already be done.
It's okay though. We might have a little barbecue.
Yeah,
You guys
man.
want?
Yeah, we can go to Walmart, grab some stuff. If they ask us if we know each other, just say no, because they always ask my family that.
What?
Yeah, they always ask like, oh, are you guys together? Okay, only one of you can be in the store at one time.
What?
Right?
That's bullshit. Yo, I went to a Walmart in Oshawa, bro. It was a free-for-all. There's no lineup, no nothing. It was just in and out.
Really?
Like old days.
Bro, what the heck,
Yeah.
bro? Nah, yo, here it's different, bro. I don't know why they do it different here.
Even in Hamilton, it's not that bad. It's bad, but not that bad.
They always asking us that shit, yo. Alright, so now we have the punch tool, hammer. Did it finally give? No? Mother suck.
Oh, is it? No, it's not going yet.
Nah.
Maybe you have to cut the other side still with the Dremel.
Two?
Like this, you know, that we like half cut.
Yeah.
I think we have to cut that out and then completely drill through on the other side too.
Okay.
Oh shit, we probably won't be able to.
Why?
Because this cat won't let the drill go in. But regardless, I think we have to cut this out with the Dremel. It shouldn't be a big deal.
Okay.
And then
We can still fit it in even with the cat there, right?
yeah, with the Dremel here, zzz, through here. Oh no, through here. Yeah, it's a small little bit. And then, and if anything, we could just use a bigger, because this is gonna start eating out into the other thing, because we didn't start in the center.
Yeah.
You can see how it's gonna on the off.
Yeah, it's gonna start eating to the actual thing.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
So we're gonna use, instead of this now, we're gonna use like a drill bit and just try to bore it out from the inside out to
Okay. Oh, with the metal drill
the.
bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're just gonna cut this back off and just bore out the other one. So it should be a big deal. I'll get the. We need the Dremel.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
I give that bolt 30 minutes to live.
30 minutes?
That's it.